the Hamilton Beach Stack and Press 3-cup chopper unboxing video.
I'm trying.
Doesn't get any more exciting than this.
Whoa. This is a Labor Day.
This is in Spanish. Simplemente ponga en el tazón y presión para
Instructions.
picar.
Oh, I love these. These are perfect for clay. These are perfect.
Okay,
for
so this is gonna go to the clay studio. Okay, cool, awesome. I don't know what that's for, but that's cool. Perfect for clay. That's what she says.
clay.
All right.
Lid.
There is a lid.
Chopper thingy.
Chopper thingy. 3 cups
Nice.
with a sticker on the side. Simple to assemble and use.
Thingy.
The motor.
The main thing.
The main thing with
Empty
a
with
plug.
another flat thing.
Empty with another thing for the studio. Instructions. Read before using. Oh, okay. So like the Sharpie thing. Okay, it looks just like the same kind of thing that was on the what was the other one called? Cuisinart. Yeah. So we're hoping that this is going to be able to do hummus. So that'll be a follow-up video. See if this thing will actually cut hummus.
This is just for hummus.
But this is what. Okay, look. So on the top you got a little button.
Sure. Plug it in.
Press.
Wait, it's right here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right there.
Press lid to pulse.
So you just push the lid down to pulse. Huh. Neat.
Which one is this on top?
Doesn't matter. The microwave, I think. Whoa, okay. All right, I'm convinced now. So at first I thought it was just like, okay, I was going to chop some onions, something like that. But that looks like it could do hummus.
Damage.
So, all right, yeah, cool. All right. So that's what we got. We'll do the test later. That's your unboxing video. The unboxing video for the Hamilton Beach 3-cup stack and press food chopper, not food processor. Food chopper.